I'm going to do another unboxing video on a fan. Here in my closet, as you know, I have the carriage chest here, there, the light kits. And there's the Pelonis fan there, and a new unboxed one there I'm going to unbox. And the wall stand and a light fixture that came out of my uncle's house. I'm going to do an unboxing video on this. Please don't fall over light. On this HDX table fan. 3-speed, 12-inch table fan. HDX is a brand I think sold exclusively to Home Depot. I remember when these had the HDX logo in the corner, and I'm not sure if these said HDX in the center. I'm not sure if the table fans did back when they had the original orange logo and all that. HDX has a couple fans. They also have a air circulator and a commercial grade fan, floor fan, or whatever those are called. But this is an HDX. This is an exclusive Home Depot table fan. By the way, this one's Canadian. I believe the Home Depot table fans in America are black, and the ones here in Canada are white. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video on this fan. Where did I leave it? Oh yeah, grab a knife. How can I get this open? And the reason I'm doing another unboxing is because it's not that I'm obsessed with fans and all that. I want to be able to make more videos for my YouTube channel, and I like putting more videos out there for you people to see. So, yeah. By the way, don't ask why I have cans of iced tea on my bed. Alright. I'm going to do this on my bed. Hopefully, how should I do this? It's just going to be hard to do this with one hand, so I usually need 2 hands to do this. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm getting into it. Sorry, YouTube, it's just hard to do this with one hand, so I'm sorry you can't fully see the, Alright, there we go. Now I got the flaps open, now I gotta get the sides open. The middle part of the flaps. Here, sorry YouTube, I'm gonna have to set this down for a second so I can do this unboxing. There we go. Alright. Alright, here we go. Alright, there we go. No need for this knife anymore. Alright, now I got the flaps open. Let's see what we have inside. Instruction manual. I pretty much know what I'm doing, so I don't think I'm going to... But I am going to read and save them. But I'm not going to read and save them on camera. The base. It's got the information sticker right there. I'll read that to you guys later. Now, here, got the, oh, shoot. They want the blade set. You got the rear and front grill. Pick up the blade set here. Man, I've wanted one of these fans for a while. And at the bottom, passing extra cardboard. There's the main motor part, whatever thing. There's the motor. Yeah, it's got the styrofoam block on it, on the thing, and there are the buttons there, and the ventilation part. I'm gonna set that down right here. There we go. Now, here's the unboxing of it. Now, I'm going to stop this video so I can make the assembly video of this fan. Alright, I guess I'll upload this video tonight or maybe tomorrow. and it's getting kind of late. But I might film an assembly video and not officially upload it till the next day. So, see you guys later.